In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Basecamp. Exporting data from Basecamp can be crucial for backing up your projects or analyzing your data outside of the platform. Whether you're transitioning to a different project management tool, need to compile reports, or simply want to have a local copy of your data for security reasons, Basecamp makes it easy to download your project data. Let's dive into the process. First up, you'll need to log into your Basecamp account. Start by visiting the Basecamp website. On the home page, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Once you've entered your credentials, hit Login to access your Basecamp dashboard. It's your gateway to all the projects and administrative options available to you. Once you're in, navigate to Admin Land. Admin Land is essentially the control center for Basecamp administrators. Here you can manage users, change settings, and importantly for us, export data from your account. You'll typically find the link to Admin Land at the bottom of your Basecamp homepage or in the menu, depending on the version of Basecamp you're using. In Admin Land, look for the option that reads Export Data from this account. Clicking on this will take you to the Data Export section. This is where Basecamp centralizes all the options for downloading your data. It's designed to be straightforward, offering you a high degree of control over what you can export. Next, you'll see an option to select the project data you wish to export. Basecamp allows you to choose specific projects for export, meaning you don't have to download everything if you're only interested in specific data. Make your selection based on what data you need. This is particularly useful for large accounts with multiple projects, as it allows you to streamline the data you're extracting. After selecting your project, it's time to initiate the export by clicking on Export My Data. Basecamp will then prepare your data for download. This process can take a little time depending on the size and complexity of your project data, so a bit of patience here goes a long way. Basecamp will usually notify you when your data is ready to download. Finally, once your data is prepared, a download button will appear. Click on it to begin downloading your data. The file will typically be in a zip format containing all the selected project data. This zip file can then be stored locally on your device, uploaded to another cloud storage service for backup, or used for data analysis. And that's it. Remember, regularly exporting and backing up your data is a good practice to ensure you always have access to your important project information outside of Basecamp. It can also serve as a key part of your data management and project transition strategies. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips. Always check the file after download to ensure it contains all the expected data. If you're planning on importing this data into another tool, verify the format compatibility. Finally, consider scheduling regular data exports as part of your project management routine to never lose critical data. I hope this guide made the process clear and you feel confident in exporting your data from Basecamp. Let us know how it goes, and if you have any tips or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Happy exporting!